What's up, everybody? We just found a lost dog. It came out of our bushes. He's really nice.
I screamed and I touched poison ivy.
Yep. Anyway, we brought him to a house where we can find some help. Alright, guys, we finally got the owners, and they're coming to pick Cooper up right now. Aren't you a good boy? Yeah, you're a good boy.
Hit your hand.
And we just got flicked off by...
I got flicked off.
Yeah, he got flicked off.
I started doing this to a white van and then went, ha!
Yeah, and he just flicked him off. So, Cooper's just staying here with us.
I got moped.
We're just waiting for the owners to come down. So, we'll inform you whenever we get the owners here. So, Cooper is perfectly healthy except for like a few scratches. Not sure if they bled out or anything, but we're pretty sure that he's all good. So, just in case, I'm pretty sure they're going to take him to the vet.
Never come and we have to wait. It's perfect for a lady because he's friendly.
I know, but then again, he's a big dog.
And we don't know what food he likes, and it might be allergic to him.
It's okay, boy.
We're up there again.
And we're walking again. Let's not walk too far, boy, all right? All right, so we're just going to make sure he's okay. We're just going to walk around in our cul-de-sac and going to wait till his owners get here. So we'll inform you guys once.
She takes another car.
Anyway, the dog just went home. They're driving away now. That's a good thing. That's our dance when we finally, this is actually our first time ever returning a dog.
No, this is actually my 4th time.
Bruh.
I am a dog lifesaver.
This is our first time.
I found one stuck in a bush and I saved it. I got pliers and went and saved it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, that was our first time. We thought it was a snake at first, but maybe it was just its tail, and then came out.
Yeah.
Oh, the bushes. And yeah, that's a good thing. First deed of ever getting a dog home. So, see you guys in the next video. Peace. As you already know, I'm just kidding. We haven't posted in so long. So I decided that we're going to be doing this. Guys, I actually don't know what we're going to do. I was going to do a challenge, but we can't do a challenge. Okay. Anywho, there's this popsicle that I made 2 weeks ago. And what was I about to say?
I have an idea.
Hold on. We'll do that in the next video. First, what I was saying. Do I have a mustache? Looks like I have a mustache. I'm getting distracted. What? Alright, anyway. What was I about to say? I have a popsicle in the freezer that I made 2-3 weeks ago. That is Gatorade fruit punch flavored. You heard me first, people. Fruit punch flavor. That was gross. Anyway, yeah, fruit punch flavor. And we're going to go ahead and try that out because I have not tasted that yet. And I actually want to do that on video just to get my reaction on it. To actually get out a video today for you guys. So let's go do that now. As you can see, I need to put on some better lighting. Alright. As you guys can see, this is the Gatorade popsicle that I made. It looks pretty snazzy. To me at least, so it's really red, and I guess that's a good thing. It looks like blood though. Blood, die everybody, die. Alright, stop playing around, Maddie. Alright, we're about to try this and see what my reaction is.
And eat them, people. eat the popsicle too.
Yeah, make sure you guys make your own popsicles like these. Just go to the store, get some popsicle things, and you're good. All right, we're about to try this. I hope I like this. 3, 2, 1.
I didn't care about toys or sports or any of that crap. As long as mama was okay.
The taste is weird.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Can I?
I'll give you a piece. Alright. Anywho. Aiden did get a lick of it. He said, I'm not sure though. Alright, let me describe this taste to you guys. It's like, it tastes like Gatorade. The fruit punch Gatorade, but it tastes a little bit, it tastes like it has salt water in it. I mean, I like it, but not the best one. Wow. Alright. I'm not gonna waste that. I'm gonna eat it, but I'm just gonna say that it wasn't the best, so if you guys do want to try this, do it yourself. You should take my word for it, it's not the best. But who knows? People might like Gatorade a lot, so a lot to where they'll make Gatorade cake. But anyway, I'm not gonna let this go to waste. I'm gonna eat it, but hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you give a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and hopefully we'll be able to save some more dogs and return them back to their owners. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.